4 weeks and 104 talents. Right now, it's time for Spotlight Chapter 2, presented by Blue Tie, powered by Red Bull, gifting partner Hooch, merchandising partner Soul Store, ticketing partner Insider.in, venue partner The Cuckoo Club. So ladies and gentlemen, please, with a round of applause, let's kick off Spotlight Chapter 2!
Whoso all over here doesn't believe in magic, जो नहीं believe करता, raise your hand. That's totally okay. The guy in the specs. Can you please join me on say round of applause for him? So basically, so what's your good name?
Neeraj.
Neeraj. So I have a deck of cards for you. You all can see that these cards are totally normal. But what in case if I ask you to check out the card, are they normal or not? Maybe later. No, if you want, you can check it now. Check it. Go and check it. Okay. Are they normal?
Yeah, it's normal.
Normal? So what you have to do is, right, if I take the cards back from you,
Yeah.
and if I ask you to choose any one card, whichever you want, see to it, take it out, see to it, don't show it to me, show it to each and everyone else over there. Done? And for making it more confidential, if I ask you to just sign on that card, over here, sign on it, the big one.
Big one.
Yeah. So very difficult question for you. Very difficult.
Yeah.
Can you rub out that sign?
No.
No. I'll take the card back from you,
Yeah,
and what I'll do is that I'll push it inside the deck and I'll shuffle it. So basically, when I shuffle it in my hands, obviously you're saying it so carefully because you think that I'm gonna do some sleight of hand. Yes or no? So making your doubt clear, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take this paper bag. If I ask you to just open it and show it to everyone, is this paper bag normal or not? Show it to everyone. Normal?
It's normal paper.
Totally normal. So what in case if I ask that I'm gonna take this all cards and I'm gonna push it inside the paper bag. So I cannot do any sleight of hand because it's inside the paper bag. And if I ask you to take the knife, if you don't believe in magic, hold it and push it in the middle.
Middle.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe it's not the middle. So what we'll do is, right, we'll push it in the middle, hold it. Over here.
Yeah. Okay,
So,
middle.
so it gets sealed packed, and there is no practical or possible way I can reach to the cards.
True.
Now,
Looks like-
tell me loudly what was your card.
Four.
Four?
Yeah.
Let's
four
take a
spades.
try if this knife can catch out your card.
Oh, seriously?
Four of spades, right? With your side. So, do you still believe in magic or not? Do you? Do you? You believe in, right?
How you did it? Like,
Thank you so very much. You can keep it as a souvenir and have a seat. A round of applause for him again. Thank you. So basically, do you all believe in love over here? A round of cheers of whosoever is love in here. Woo! सबको प्यार है, सब बर्बाद है. Okay, so do we have any couples in the house? Yes, we do have. A round of applause for them. They are joining me on stage. Come. Don't be shy. प्यार किया तो डरना क्या? So, would you all like to see their love? Yes. That's great. Both of you, please close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah. And just imagine the first time when you both met each other and had a very great time with each other. That's great. So, ma'am, you open your eyes, and sir, you keep your eyes closed till the time I don't ask you. And if you feel anything, don't utter a word till the time I ask you. Is that fair enough?
okay.
Let's take a try. Just be normal. Okay, sir. Did you felt something? Somebody touched you?
Yeah.
Loudly?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Can you touch and say me where did you felt? Keep your eyes closed. Okay. Can you say me the exact motion in which motion that touch was?
I believe it was a thread that just brushed the tip of my nose.
Open your eyes. I didn't touch you. I touched your wife.
Oh my god.
Don't believe me? Ask them. So that's the love between them. Would you all want to see it vice versa? Let's take a try, man. Keep your eyes closed. Give me your right hand forward. Close it and keep your eyes closed. So don't utter a word again till the time I ask you, ma'am. Let's take a try. Okay, ma'am. Did you felt something? Yeah. Can you touch and say me where did you felt? Can you say me the exact motion in which motion the touch was? Approximately how many times? 2, 3 times. Open your eyes. I didn't touch you, I touched him. Round of applause for both of them. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much for joining me.
Thank you so much, Jerry. Full power! देख ब्रो मैं चश्मा पहन के आ गया. इसको ना सन ग्लासेस कहते हैं, ग्लेयर्स कहते हैं, मैं चश्मा कहते हैं, मैं चश्मा कहता हूँ.
Chashma, obviously.
Bro, how do you manage all this, bro?
Actually,
Yeah, man. See, we have a public question. Audience poll भी है वहाँ पर.
It's magic.
It's magic.
It's magic.
And that's a secret.
That's the secret.
But full power talent.
Thank
Thank you
you
so
so
much,
very
Jerry,
much.
for being a part of this Spotlight Chapter 2.
Thank
You, buddy. Thank you so much. And next, we have on stage our star performers. So cute बोला गया यहाँ से मुझे. We have Gary on bass, Alan doing beatboxing, Keisha and Suzanne on harmony. Together they form Raga Tripping without the G. Give it up for Raga Tripping.
आज की रात होना